Are you looking for an e-commerce website for your online store, vendor, retail, or any type of online business? Or entrepreneur, artist, blog, or dark variant e-commerce website for your online business? Introducing Shopper TNC, the best e-commerce Webflow template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, where to get this template? To get this template, you need to visit templates.themeencode.com. Here you need to search Shopper TNC. Take a look at our Shopper TNC template is listed. Here you can check the live preview and designer preview or all the template variants from this page. Click Buy Now to get this template from Webflow website. Now let's explore the live preview of Shopper TNC. Shopper TNC is a fully functional e-commerce template. It contains all the elements, pages and sections that an e-commerce website should have. This Webflow template includes a mega menu for browsing. Discover curated products and exclusive offers handpicked for you. Enjoy a more comfortable browsing experience, especially in low-light environments by enabling dark mode. Shopper TNC has a trendy and modern design that can be easily customized to reflect your website's unique branding. You will get 3 home pages. Choose from a variety of eye-catching homepage designs to perfectly showcase your brand and attract your audience. Visitors can browse through the wide range of products easily with user-friendly navigation system. Whether you are an artist, vendor, online shop owner, entrepreneur, established business, or startup, Shopper TNC can turn your vision into a reality. Let's explore our shop page. Shop smarter, not harder. Our shop page has advanced search, filter, and sort features similar to Amazon, allowing you to explore our amazing products with ease. This is our blog page. Share cool stuff with your customers. Use the special blog page to tell them about interesting things, like tips, trends, and cool stories, making your brand the expert in your field. Here you will find a unique contact page. Our contact page includes a unique contact form with an attached map section. This e-commerce template is very easy to understand, so customers can find and buy things without any hassle. Now let's see how to use Shopper TNC. This is our template, Shopper TNC. Here, you can edit or replace each element. Let's customize our header. Just hover over the element and click on it to get each customizable option. Have a look. Here you can easily change logo by clicking on Replace Image option. Then here you will find the search functionality. You can modify this text and replace it with your own. Here, I am adding a new text, looking for something. You can also modify this search button. You can change this icon. Then you can customize the nav link. Just select the element and change what you want. You can change the name, link, type, page connection and everything with a few clicks. After that, you can easily change the image of this hero section. Just select the image and click Replace Image to change it. You can change the hero title and hero paragraph. Then you can easily customize this button. Just select the button and you'll get options to change the button text, button link, opening type or everything. This is one of our slider sections, which is a hero slider. Here, you can add, remove or customize each slide. Copy and paste the slide module to add new slides. Here, I want to add a slide, so I have to copy and paste a slide module inside the mask. See our newly added slide working beautifully. Now let's edit this section. Here I want to change this paragraph, and write hello. Welcome to TNC LLC. Then let's change this title and here I write, Shopper TNC. Next, here you can find the product section. You can add, edit, remove or customize each product. All of these are coming from e-commerce items. If you want to know how to manage e-commerce items in Webflow, click the I button to watch another video on managing e-commerce items in Webflow, or I can attach the link in the description. This is our testimonials section. You can customize this section and edit each detail as per your requirement. You can change the image, name, text, description or anything else. Editing this template is pretty easy. This is our footer section. You can customize this footer section according to your needs. Here you can change your address details, phone number, email, or anything. Just select the element and replace the text easily. Apart from this, you can add or remove new social icons or social links. You can also customize contact details. Have a look. Here I am quickly modifying this heading paragraph. You can change, edit, add, or remove anything in this template. So you can easily use this template and customize it according to your requirements. So, if you are looking for the best e-commerce Webflow template, get Shopper TNC. And if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.themeencode.com.